Hi there guys, so we've came out for a drive to a friend of the host that we're staying with, and this woman keeps parrots. This is incredible, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous birds. Hello then, hello then. Hello Murphy! Hello Murphy! What are you saying? Come on, talk to me, come on then, come on then, come on, talk to Murphy, come on. So guys, you'll see these things up here. They're made by the weaving birds, because when you look at them, they weave the flowers or the branches or whatever, and I'm sure that's why they're called weaving birds, or that's what we were told anyway. The colours on this parrot, absolutely stunning. Green and blue head, white and black beak. It's got like zebra eyes with the stripes, yellow and different shades of blue. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the size, beautiful. Look at these bad boys. Absolutely gorgeous. Red, yellow and orange heads. Few black bodies. So guys, I'll be honest, I'm not sure what the difference in the birds are. I'm not really an expert in these sort of birds, but they look beautiful. These smaller ones could be budgies or finches. The big ones round there, parrots for sure. Right, this is unbelievable. We heard somebody talking. It's actually these birds. We'll try and get them to talk. Come on, talk. Say something. Come on. Come on, wee buddy. Talk to Murphy. Did you hear that? Okay guys, this thing that was hanging from the trees is called a loofah, and it's a hard shell on the outside, and in the inside, if you shake it, you'll hear the seeds or the pods rattling about. Now once it's ripe, it becomes this with another small shell, and inside there is a sponge. I'm not sure, but I've never heard of it, but have you ever heard of a loofah sponge? Lizzie's heard of it, and this is used to scrub yourself when you're in the shower or in the bath. It'd be ideal for camping as well. It's digging for something. This is exciting guys. That thing's only about 150 to 200 metres away. Right at the bottom of the garden. There's another here. That's another one. Just going behind the trees now. Right behind that tree. That is definitely a different one from the last time. And the other one disappeared behind a burrow. Down a burrow up beside a tree, behind that tree. Or one of the trees. There's another one down the bottom there. There's a few. A couple of days ago we seen 7 across at the water trough. You can see it right there. This is fantastic stuff. Hardly been here 10 minutes. That's 4 warthog sightings in one day, along with seeing the parrots earlier on. Absolutely fantastic stuff. That's Lottie, the farm cow in the background. She's a milking cow. Right below there's that warthog, guys. This is great. So excited. This is why we're in Africa. Random sightings like this. That's its side on now, you can see it starting to walk. Wow, that was nice. Wow. Well, the morning after the night before, that was some storm we had last night. Thunder, lightning, rain, howling winds. Unbelievable stuff. But we had a great day yesterday. Parrots, warthogs, lightning, cockatoos. It was a great day. A nice relaxing day as well. And if that woman's watching this whose house we visited, Inge, thanks very much, darling. Much appreciated. So guys, we'll leave that video here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Something a little bit different. We've just started our trip in Africa. We're in the first place in Namibia, so we'll be seeing a lot more animals, bigger ones as well. You guys, please, if you don't mind sharing this video or sharing my YouTube channel, subscribing if you haven't, commenting if you've got something to say, and give me the thumbs up if you've liked it. Until the next time, you take care.